Well, this is Guns, Knives, and Tools, baby. Woo! And it's like, everyone knows, man, like OTFs, man. Like, I've used one or two of them, blah, blah, blah. This is that their TNP, man. Nothing Faggy project from 2012. Well, everybody got to get nothing Faggy every now and then. And then you got that there Lightning Elite Pro, man. So, anyway, this is Lightning Elite. Now, as far as an OTF goes, the Lightning Elite, I really honestly don't have a whole lot of background in. But what I can sit there and say is this one hasn't failed. Now, as far as a Lightning, got in white, man. Pull her out like that, boy. Oops. Oh, I didn't even do that for Vitrio, man. So it works until it doesn't. Now, yeah, anyway. Come on, baby. Tell me you love me, baby. There you go. Yeah. Come on, baby. Let's do it again. Anyway, this Lightning knife is malfunctioning. Am I going to get into it as far as how it malfunctions? We might, man, because you know it's a thing. So we're gonna take the the thing, man, right here, man, and it's a 9, man. So it's like blah blah blah, and then we're gonna go. Oh my god! Hold on, let's see it fail again. Oh, we're there. Rock and roll, man. Paco the taco, man. It's the way it works, man. I want to eat lunch, believe it or not. Which is why I brought my lunch downstairs. I'm letting it all get like, it is what it is, man. So this is a T9, not a T8. I've seen multiple things, and everybody sits there and lies about this bullshit because they don't understand it. They don't have the tools. I don't know what to tell them. Anyway. Sorry, I was trying to do it fast for the video. It's that there Vitrio, man. Then you go like, oh my god. Let's pull it back and we're gonna go racky, schmacky. But then, what has happened? The rear bar has come up. Ooh. I could have made that happen if I wanted to. Anyway, so the problem with these are the metallurgy on these then they're grappling type things, man. That ain't right, man. Anyway, rock and roll, party on. Now, as far as the Lightning Elite, I haven't run into any metallurgy problems yet. And it's like, yeah, no, it's a thing. The TNP Microtech. Yeah, I don't really, it's not my knife. But yeah, now that is a thing with my sharpening job. Oh my God. Anyway, guns, knives, and yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna go eat my lunch, and yeah, rock and roll. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye.